Oh yeah, so here's the sweet potatoes I had growing in the house. You can see, let me show you. So all I'm gonna take the slips off of here and I'm gonna plant them in the ground. You see? These I'm just gonna break it off and just stick it deep in the ground. Look at the roots on this thing. So, and I got one right here too. I'm gonna go ahead and put these potatoes in the ground right here. You have my sweet potatoes. So we'll see how they do on this side of the yard. And I got a few plants out here this year. See them? They all lined up. Then I got one way in the back. It looks purple looking. Let me see if I can zoom in better. Let's see, where's it at? Okay, you probably can't see it, but it's right where my finger is, right there. Yep. And then I got one right here. And I think these are mostly the red sweet potatoes. I kind of like them better than the other ones. They actually taste good. So I don't know what actually brand they are, but I know they're red sweet potatoes. I also know there was an organic potato that my son had bought. And I had planted some slips in the window the first year. And I just planted them in the yard. So well, hopefully we get some nice sweet potatoes like we did last year. Got a nice abundance of them last year. I didn't expect that many. Also now you can see the sweet potatoes. These are all sweet potatoes growing out in this area right here. And they just took over the whole side of the garden. So hopefully we get some nice sweet potatoes. Like I said, this side of the ground over here, like last year, the other side was pretty good, where the watermelon is growing on that side now. But this side was it wasn't as good as the soil over there because it had more clay on this side. But I'm still hoping that we get some good sweet potatoes out of here. But we'll see.
Yeah.
See, I ain't plant these. These are the ones, see, that ran over here.
Yeah.
It went over there and planted itself in a better soil.
True.
Look.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Look. This off the one. Oh, man.
Wow.
There we go. That was off of one tree.
Wow.
There was more to go. So,
Wow.
That's what I'm talking about. This right here saved the season. Look at that sucker right there.
Wow.
So if they rooted over here, I might not. stepping on something still too.
Yeah.
This side. I don't think I got him. I don't think I got him on. Hey, people. That's what I'm talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Well, wasn't a bust after all.
Yeah.
This smell don't look that good either right here.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Some more down there. The whole pack right here.
Good.
It's a nice one.
Yeah.
Start to pile up.
Mm-hmm.
Some more right there. So Ashley broke this one. Still edible.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. Break no more. I hate breaking them.
Yeah.
So you see, they're growing better. They're growing better in spots I didn't plant them.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Nothing.
Yeah.
I was feeling kind of scared at first. It's like, no, we're not gonna get no potatoes.
Yeah.
No, you kind of a little happy. So that. Hey.
Uh-oh.
Oh, cut it in half. Keep breaking them.
Mm.
Okay. We're doing our thing. It's everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Good size.
Nice size, man. I'm pretty happy, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Started off kind of slow. All right, y'all, this is the end of the video. And here is my sweet potatoes. Yay, we got a bunch of them this year too. I think last year we had some bigger ones, but these are nice size too, don't get me wrong. And so I'm happy with it. I mean, this was only 9 plants. And all these sweet potatoes came from that. And you can eat all of it. Even the smaller ones. I'm gonna come by and take the roots off of these and just snap it off later on. But right now I'm just letting them cure. I'm gonna let them sit out for a while until they dry out. I'm gonna do that for a couple days. Then I'm gonna put it in a dark spot in the house, in the closet somewhere. And then wash them off, and we're gonna ready to eat some. And we're gonna be eating some nice candy yams. Yep. Sweet potatoes, candy yams are good, especially the ones you grow yourself. So for some reason they taste better out your own garden. Anyway, y'all, so I've learned a lesson. Like on this side of your yard right here, you can see how hard and dense the soil is, see? And so, but it was amazing what the plants did. The plants actually grew, they spread it out, and they actually grew big potatoes on this side. I planted them way over here. Y'all just go back and watch the earlier videos when I actually put them in the ground. I think it was sometime in April or May, early May or April. I planted them I put in like 9 plants around this area. And they didn't look like nothing, just like little slips and little teeny things in the ground. And all these potatoes came from those slips I put in the ground. And that's amazing to me. So now we have a lot of sweet potatoes for the wintertime. But again, the soil makes a difference. So if you plant your potatoes in dense soil, if it's like clayey soil, then the potatoes won't have enough room to expand to get that big. But if you put them in a nice loose soil, like it was on this side of the garden, and I don't know why this side of the garden the way it is, because I've been trying to put compost, and I'm gonna still keep adding to it, you know, so I can get this ground looser. But you can see, even when I step right here, you can see that it's like clay. I put my mark in it, and it just like spreads, because it's clay. There's a little piece of sweet potato right there. So, anyway, I'm happy with my harvest. That we're still growing peppers, so that's nice. Peppers are still coming in, so we can keep on getting more peppers until the frost come, and as well as the eggplants, and of course the lettuce the same over here. We keep on picking the lettuce until it's all gone. Anyway, y'all, that's the end of my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And these are my sweet potatoes. Yay, look at all of them. It's a bunch. It's a bunch of them. All right. Peace. And I'll talk to y'all next time. This is the Truth Seeker Network, and I'm out.